So our question is, if for some and in R, the intersection of the following three planes is a line in R cube, then alpha plus beta is equal to. So we have to we just have to find beta and alpha. So we know that the given planes intersect in a line. So t equals dx plus it equals dy equals dz, which is equal to 0. So t is equal to 0. So we just have to put it in a matrix where we get all the values 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 4 7 5 minus 2 minus 5 alpha, as we can see, and which will be equal to 0. So on solving this matrix, we will get 7 alpha plus 25 minus 4 alpha minus 20 plus 4. So on solving this, our alpha value will be minus 3. So now we have to solve for beta. So as we know, dz is equal to 0. So matrix will be 1 1 1 4 7 5 1 beta 5 equal to 0. Pretty straightforward. Then we'll solve this matrix and our beta value will come out to be 13. So we'll just add alpha and beta, alpha plus beta. Our alpha came out to be minus 3, our beta came out to be plus 13. So the answer will be 10, and here's the answer. Hence B is the answer.